Hello friends, today we will learn how to multiply in fraction. As we have seen in addition, subtraction of fraction, we will firstly see the denominator that should be same. But in multiplication it is not necessary to see that denominator should be equal. So we will multiply numerator and denominator both. So 3 by 4 into 12 by 17. So you can see that 12 can be reduced by 4, means 4 3s are 12. We will reduce it and then it will become 3 into 3 9, 9 by 17. See the B part, 7 by 9 into 18 by 19. This 9 can be reduced by 18, means 9 2s are 18. So 7 2s are 14 and upon 19. Same way see the C part, 8 upon 15 into 5 upon 16. The 8 can be reduced 2 times to 16, so 8 2s are 16 and 5 for the 3 times, so 5 3s are 15. So you will get 1 upon 6. See the D part, 5 upon 26 into 39 by 40. The 26 and 30 can be reduced by 13. 13 2s are 26 and 13 3s are 39. And 5 8s are 40. So 3 upon 16. Then you have to multiply and each answer in simplest form. So first 9 by 16 you have to multiply by these different numbers, 8 by 15, 10 by 27, 1 whole 7 upon 9 and 35 by 9. So firstly we will multiply 9 by 16 into 8 by 15. So 9, you can see that 9 and 15 can be reduced by 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are 15. And 8 2s are 16. So 3 upon 5 2s are 10, means 3 upon 10. Second part, 9 upon 16 into 10 upon 27. So by 2 it can be reduced, 2 5s are 10 and 2 8s are 16 and 9 3s are 27, so 5 upon 24. Then third part, 9 upon 16 into 1 whole 7 upon 9, means 9, firstly we will convert 1 whole 7 upon 9 into improper fraction, that we will get it 16 by 9. So 9 and 9 will be cancelled out and 16 and 16 can be cancelled out, that will be equal to 1. Now fourth part, 9 upon 16 into 3 whole 5 by 9. So 9 upon 16 and 3 whole 5 by 9, we will reduce it to lowest term, that is 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 5 32 upon 9. 9 9 can be reduced and 16 2s are 32, means that will be equal to 2. Now see the B part, 1 whole 3 by 4 you have to multiply by 5 by 8, 1 whole 1 by 4, 15 by 16 and 3 whole 3 by 4. So 1 whole 3 by 5 will be converted and it will be equal to 8 by 5 and 5 by 8. So 8 will be cancelled and 5 will be cancelled, it will be equal to 1. Then again 1 3 by 5 will be 8 by 5 and 1 whole 1 by 4 will be 5 by 4. 5 will be cancelled and 4 2s are 8, it will be equal to 2. Third part, 1 whole 3 by 5 into 15 upon 16, so means 8 2s are 16 and 5 3s are 15, 3 by 2. 1 whole 1 upon 2, 1 whole 3 by 5 into 3 whole 3 by 4, 5 ones are 5 plus 3, 8 by 5 into 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 3 15 by 4. So 4 2s are 8 and 5 3s are 15, 3 2s are 6. Now see the third one. Simplify the following. 2 whole 3 by 8, both are in mixed fraction. Firstly we will convert both into improper fraction. 2 whole 3 by 8 into 5 whole 1 by 5. So that will be 19 upon 8 into 26 upon 5. So 2 4s are 8 and 2 13s are 26. So 13 into 19 means 247 upon 20, means 12 whole 7 upon 20. Now B part, 2 whole 2 by 9 into 3 by 5. 9 2 is 18, 18 plus 2 20 by 9 into 3 by 5. So the 3 3s are 9 and 5 4s are 20. So 4 by 3, that is 1 whole 1 by 3. C part, 1 whole 1 by 2 into 2 whole 2 by 5. So 3 by 2 into 12 by 5. So 2 6 are 12. So 6 3 is 18 by 5, that is 3 whole 3 by 5. Now there is a multiplication of 3. One is whole number, improper and mixed. The 2 will remain same, 4 by 5 will remain same and this mixed will become to improper. 3 whole 1 by 2 means 5 by 3. 5 will be cancelled out, then what will remain? 8 upon 3, that is 2 whole 2 by 3. B part, 2 whole 5 by 6 means 17 upon 6 into 18 upon 85 into 35 upon 9. 9 2 is 18. 5 sevens are 35 and see 17 fives are 85, 5 sevens are 35, 9 twos are 18 and 2 threes are 6. So you will get 7 upon 3, that is 2 whole 1 by 3. C part 1 whole 2 by 7, 9 by 7 into 3 into 21 by 8. 7 threes are 21, 9 threes are 27, 27 into 3 81 upon 8, that is 10 whole 1 by 8. Now fifth question, Ravi used 1 whole 2 by 5 bags of soil for his garden. He is gardening another garden that will need 1 by 5 as much soil as the original. How much soil will he use in the total? So 1 whole 2 by 5 means 7 by 2 into 1 by 5, that is 7 by 2. Now what is the total quantity of soil used? 7 by 2 plus 7 by 10, that is 35 plus 7, that is 42 by 10, 21 by 5, that is 4 whole 1 by 5 bags of soil. Now D part, firstly we will write, we should know what is reciprocal. Reciprocal is the reverse of the fraction. Suppose if numerator and denominator are a upon b respectively, then reciprocal of a upon b will become b upon a. See first one, a 1 by 3 will be equal to 3 by 1. Same way second one, 7 by 8 will be equal to 8 by 7. 2 whole 2 by 3 will be 8 by 3, that will be 3 by 8. 5 reciprocal is 1 by 5. 6 whole 1 by 6 will be 37 by 6, that is 6 upon 37. Now by taking following example, show that product of a number and its reciprocal is always 1. So we know that reciprocal is just reverse of the fraction. 25 by 27 into 27 by 25, that will be equal to 1. Same when 9 5s are 45, 46 by 9 into 9 by 46, that will be equal to 1. 7 whole 1 by 7 is equal to 50 upon 7 into 7 upon 50, that will be equal to 1. 1 whole 11 by 35, that is 46 by 35 into 35 by 46, that is also equal to 1. Now third one, think and answer. In defining reciprocal of a upon b, we have imposed the condition a is not equal to 0 and b is equal not equal to 0. Why? Give reason. We know that any number divided by 0 is undefined. So here if we find reciprocal of a upon b, then it will be again b upon a. So if we put any number equal to 0, then your fraction will be undefined. So we cannot take a is equal to 0 or b equal to 0. That's why a is also not equal to 0 and b is also not equal to 0. That's all for today. Thank you and have a good day.